Hey guys, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance. This video is for my appliance flippers. This is one of the negatives of flipping, but not something to get you, not enough to make you not want to do it no more. But just wanted to, I guess, document and, you know, for some of you new guys out there, some of the losses you'll take. So I got this Frigidaire front load washer. I got it in, and I believe this was a trade-in. And the tub was completely off balance, and the spring here was broke. This is a brand new one I just put on. I ordered it off of Amazon. I think it cost me $10, and the spring was completely broke. And so I ordered it, kind of like a glance over inspection before I ordered it to see if there's any holes in the tub or anything. So anyway, put this new spring on, got it in, turned it on to test it, and water started coming out the bottom. And so I'm like, man, I know I looked at the tub to see if it had any holes in it. But as you can see, the water pouring out, and it's pouring out of here. And this is the pressure hose. Whole assembly, pressure hose assembly. And so that tells it the washer when it's full. So, you know, obviously I can probably replace that. But now that I took it apart to find that leak, I saw the pump was completely destroyed. I'm like, oh man, you know, so that's another. So now I have to buy a pump and that pressure hose. I might have a pump available, but you know, and then I looked at it, and like, this is the switch. Looks a little destroyed. It actually still works though, locks and everything, but I would want to replace that if I'm gonna sell this thing. So I'm at a point where I might just punt this because I got so many other machines to work on, and it just would not be worth my time waiting for parts and having to put this together, and then taking the risk of something else going wrong, just a time risk. You know, experience has taught me I'm just going to punt it. So anyway, this is Reggie, A-Team Appliance. Feel free to comment, ask questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe, man. We can keep the channel going and help educate people based off my experiences. I mean, there's a lot of people with their experience too, but just sharing my experiences as an appliance flipper and repair technician. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. A-Team Appliance.